Hey guys, what's up? Wondering what's inside this big box? Well, it's a robotic pool cleaner. Let's get this out the box. Let me grab my scissors and get it out the box. Inside the box, you'll find the user manual, a step-by-step guide, a retrieval hook for easily removing the cleaner from the pool, the power adapter, and the UBoter E10 itself. Let's take it out the plastic. Starting with the design, the E10 has a compact, lightweight build with a convenient carrying handle, making it easy to place in and remove from your pool. The low-profile design helps it move smoothly across the pool floor while cleaning. As for features, the UBoter E10 is completely cordless, so there are no hoses or cables to deal with. It features a dual-layer filtration system that helps capture dirt, leaves, bugs, and other debris. The design is fairly simple, with a single button operation and large traction wheels intended for above ground and flat bottom pool cleaning. It also includes obstacle crossing technology to help navigate around drains and uneven surfaces, along with enhanced edge and corner cleaning. The cleaner offers up to 120 minutes of runtime and is designed for above ground and flat bottom pools up to 860 square feet. The setup is simple. First, fully charge the unit. Next, make sure the filter basket is installed correctly. Turn the cleaner on, lower it into the water, and allow any trapped air to escape. Once it reaches the bottom, release it and let it start cleaning. After use, remove the cleaner and open the filter compartment. Rinse the filter and it's ready for the next cleaning session. Overall, the UBoter E10 is an easy-to-use robotic pool cleaner that helps reduce pool maintenance. After using the UBoter E10 for a few days and watching it do its job, I was really impressed with the results. It did a great job cleaning the pool, picking up debris, and leaving the water looking clear. Overall, it made keeping the pool clean simple and hassle-free. I also wanted to point out that when the pool cleaner is done doing its job, it comes back to the edge of the pool, so you can easily use the hook and bring it out of the pool, so you don't have to go in the pool and grab it. You can just wait for the robot to come to you. That's really nice. I hope this video was helpful. I hope I introduced you to a product that you didn't know you might need for this summer to help clean your pool and make that task a little bit easier. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.